Hi, I'm Tom Iovino with Pinellas County Emergency Management. Here's a tip for hurricane season. The first and most important piece of information you have to know about hurricanes preparedness is knowing what evacuation zone you live in. Based on that information, you can decide whether you need to evacuate for the storm or if you can stay and ride the storm out. Be sure to check that information out. If you want more information on how to prepare for hurricanes, you can pick up a copy of the official Pinellas County Disaster Guide. You can check the Emergency Management website at www.pinellascounty.org/emergency. And be sure to check with your local officials at the City of Dunedin for the local information you need to stay safe.